Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, students. Shall we start our class with dua? All of you repeat after me. Rabbi zidni ilma. O Allah, increase me in my knowledge. Shall we do warm-up exercise? All of you stand up.
When I say jump, you jump up and down. When I say jump, you jump up and down. When I say jump, you jump up and down. When I say jump, you jump up and down. When I say walk, you walk round and round. When I say walk, you walk round and round. When I say walk, you walk round and round. When I say walk, you walk round and round. When I say dance, you dance left and right. When I say dance, you dance left and right. When I say dance, you dance left and right. When I say dance, you dance left and right. When I say run, you run on the spot. When I say run, you run on the spot. When I say run, you run on the spot. When I say run, you run on the spot.
Let's read virtual class rules. Sit straight, look at the screen, listen carefully, follow the instructions, complete your homework and send it to your class teacher. We'll read today's date. What date is today? Today is 18. All of you repeat. Today is 18. Which month we are in? We are in third month. Name of the third month is March. What is the name of the third month? Name of the third month is March. Let's read the spelling for the word March. M-A-R-C-H. March. Name of the third month is March. Which year we are in? We are in the year 2021. What day is today, students? Today is Thursday. What day is today? Today is Thursday. Shall we read the spelling? T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. Today is Thursday. What time is this, students? This is language time. Today we are going to do revision for the beginning sound of the letter. Today we are going to draw the pictures for each letter. Okay. Now, shall we read the letters first? Read along with me. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. This is name of the letters. Shall we read the sound of the letters? A, B, K, D, A, F. Okay. Students, now we are going to draw the pictures for the letter sound. What is the name of the letter, students? Name of the letter is A. Sound of the letter is A. Now we are going to draw one picture for the letter sound A. Shall we draw a apple? Yes. A apple. Okay. What is the next letter, students? Next letter is B. Name of the letter is B. Sound of the letter is B. Shall we draw one picture for the letter sound B? Shall we draw a ball? B-ball. Now look at the next letter, students. What letter is this? Name of the letter is C. Sound of the letter is K. Shall we draw cup? Next, what is the next letter? Next letter is D. Name of the letter is D. Sound of the letter is D. The doll. Shall we draw doll? Now look at the board, students. What is the next letter? Name of the letter is E. Sound of the letter is A. Shall we draw a egg? All of you repeat after me. A egg. Shall we read the letters and the picture? All of you repeat after me. A apple, B ball, K cup, D doll, A egg. What is the next letter, students? Name of the letter is F. Sound of the letter is F. All of you repeat after me. F. Name of the letter is F. Sound of the letter is F. Shall we draw a fish? F fish. Okay. What is the next letter, students? Name of the letter is G. Sound of the letter is G. Shall we draw G grapes? What is the next letter, students? Next name of the letter is H. Sound of the letter is H. Hat. Shall we draw hat? What is the next letter, students? Next letter is I. Name of the letter is I. Sound of the letter is E. Igloo. Shall we draw igloo? Student, let's read the sound and the picture. For fish, G grapes, H hat, igloo. What is the next letter, students? Name of the letter is J. Sound of the letter is J. Shall we draw jug? What is the next letter, student? Name of the letter is K. Sound of the letter is K. Shall we draw kite? What is the next letter, students? Name of the letter is L. Sound of the letter is L. Shall we draw leaf? What is the next letter? Name of the letter is M. Sound of the letter is M. Shall we draw mango? Students, let's read the sound and the picture. Jug, kite, leaf, mango. Shall we practice once again? All of you repeat after me. Apple, ball, cup, doll, egg, fish, grapes, hat, igloo, jug, kite, leaf, mango. Students, what letter is that? Name of the letter is N. Sound of the letter is N. Shall we draw one picture for the letter sound N? Shall we draw neck? Neck. Okay. What is the next letter, students? Name of the letter is O. Sound of the letter is A. Shall we draw orange? Orange. What is the next letter? P. Name of the letter is P. Sound of the letter is P. Shall we draw pot? Pot. Okay. What is the next letter? Q. Name of the letter is Q. Sound of the letter is Q. Shall we draw quail? What is the next letter? Name of the letter is R. Sound of the letter is R. Shall we draw ring? Ring. What is the next letter, students? Name of the letter is S. Sound of the letter is S. Shall we draw sun? Sun. What is the next letter? T. Name of the letter is T. Sound of the letter is T. Shall we draw top? Top. What is the next letter? Name of the letter is U. Sound of the letter is A. Shall we draw a umbrella? Umbrella. Name of the letter is V. Sound of the letter is V. What letter is that? Name of the letter is V. Sound of the letter is V. Shall we draw vase? Vase. What is the name of the letter, students? Name of the letter is W. Sound of the letter is W. Shall we draw watch? Watch. What is the next letter, students? Name of the letter is X. Sound of the letter is X. Shall we draw a picture that ends with X sound? Shall we draw box? Student, what picture is that? X box. Where is X sound? X sound is at the end. X box. Okay, what is the next letter? Y. Name of the letter is Y. Sound of the letter is Ya. Shall we draw yarn? Yarn. What is the last letter, students? Z. Name of the letter is Z. Sound of the letter is Z. Shall we draw Z0? Yes. Students, now look at the board. We'll read once again. Shall we read the sound of the letter and the picture? Yes. Neck. All of you repeat after me. Neck. Orange. Pot. Quail. Ring. Sun. Top. Umbrella. Vase. Watch. Xbox. Yarn. Z0. Hope you have understood today's concept, the letter sound and the picture. Drawing the picture for the letter sound. Okay. Let's see our today's homework. Our oral homework is read the sound of the letter and the pictures, record your voice and send it to a class teacher. Writing homework is draw any pictures for the letter sound A to Z in your drawing notebook. Take pic and send. Students, all of you take your drawing book, take a new page, write today's date. Now we are going to draw the picture for the letter sound A to Z. Shall we draw? Like this you have to draw the pictures for the letters A to Z. Shall we read those letters? Yes. A apple, B ball, C cup, D doll, A egg, F fish, G grapes, H hat, E igloo, J jar, K kite, L leaf, M mango, N neck, O orange, P pot, Q quail, R ring, S sun, T top, A umbrella, V vase, W watch, X box, Y yarn, Z zero. Okay. Students, like this you can also draw any picture for the letter sound A to Z. After drawing, you can even color those pictures, then take pic and send it to a class teacher. Hope you all have understood today's class. Shall we wind up our class with dua? All of you repeat after me. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Jazakallahu khaira, students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, students. See you all in the next class. Take care.